Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I brought you this exciting product from FANKAI. This is a pipe set that comes with a pipe pouch. It's a refillable butane lighter with stand and 3-in-1 cleaning tools. Basically a pipe gift set. So let's check this out. Beautiful gift box. Wow, look at that. So it comes with a 2 metal mash filter. The rubber ends. It's magnetic. Look at that. Amazing. Down here comes with a lighter. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. It's a pipe stand. Just like that. Okay, so this is a 360-degree angled soft flame. Look at that. This way, that way, this way, and like this. Butane viewing window. This is a needle, and this is a scraper, and this is a tamper. You can like pack it in, and this scrapes out the tar, and this is a needler to better airway. So look at this over here. It's a nice pouch. It's a multi-purpose pipe pouch. It's a premium TPU liner to keep tobacco moist and fresh. And here it has enough capacity for pipe lighters and pipe tools, including these. And you can put one more here and close it up. It's a detachable ebony wood pipe. Look right here. You can pull this out. It's a heat resistant carbon layer. If you want to put the end piece like this, look at that. So this is a food grade pipe bit. It's non-toxic and odorless. So you can use this and take it out and wash it, and then put it back and reuse them. Look, they include 2 activated charcoal filter. The dimension is 6.33 inches by 3.52 inches. The depth is 1.48 inches. Pipe itself, the diameter is 1.62 inches, and the height of this pipe is 1.91 inches. Overall length of this pipe is 6.01 inches. The lighter, the dimension is 3.14 inches by 1.41 inches. The depth is 0.7 inches. So check this product out. This is a great pipe set that you can carry it around with all the accessories included. And it's from FANKAI. Thank you for viewing my video and see you on the next one.